For a lot of new Mac users, it can be a little frustrating if you're used to double-clicking an app window to make it full screen, just like on Windows. By default, macOS actually doesn't let you do this. But we can easily change that. First, open up System Settings on your Mac. Next, head over to Desktop and Dock. Scroll down to the Windows section and look for the option for the title bar double-click action. Go ahead and change that setting from Zoom to Fill. Now, whenever you double-click the title bar of any app, it will instantly fill up your entire screen. Here's a second way to do it. You can simply drag the app window all the way to the top edge of your screen. Keep dragging until you see a faint white border appear. Then just release your mouse and it will snap to full screen. Just keep in mind that this feature is only available on recent macOS updates.